Another big story that we're following this evening, the tax fraud trial that continues for Orleans Parish DA Jason Williams. And today his former tax preparer put the blame on Williams. Erica Ferrando standing out there, joining us live now from the federal courthouse. Hopefully you're safe out there. Erica, what did they have to say?
Hey, Sharice, well, court actually wrapped up at 5:30 today because of this weather, but Jason Williams' former tax preparer, Henry Timothy, is still on the stand. He'll be back on the stand tomorrow morning, of course. He is being questioned by the defense right now, who's accusing Timothy of inflating the numbers on his own, saying it was his job to make sure the tax forms were correct. What are you expecting to hear from Henry Timothy?
We'll have to see. We'll have to see.
Jason Williams watched his former tax preparer Henry Timothy on the stand Wednesday tell the jury Williams asked him to falsify and inflate expenses on his tax returns. While he has a background in accounting, Timothy admits he is not a CPA and first met Williams in 2010 when Williams asked him to amend his old tax returns from 2002 to 2009. And he did. In 2002, documents show Timothy added nearly $29,000 to Williams' business funds based off a handwritten list he was given. Then he started preparing Williams and Burdett's taxes through 2017. And when he would present them to Burdett, she would have to go back with Jason to see if the figure I gave her was okay. And if it wasn't, we had to adjust it some more, increase the expenses, he said. Timothy testified he overstated their taxes year after year. We kept increasing the deductions to where they seemed unreasonable, but he kept doing it because I felt like we became close and I just wanted to help them. Timothy said Williams started using another tax preparer in 2018 following advice of a financial advisor. Timothy said, I was relieved because I didn't have to falsify any more tax returns. Now, Timothy pled guilty in federal court last year to underreporting his own income. And he said as part of his plea agreement, he promised the government that I would come here and tell the truth. Williams' defense began questioning Timothy late Wednesday afternoon, saying his story has changed over the years. Timothy testified he was first approached by the IRS in 2017 about tax issues with a different client. Williams' attorney Lisa Monet Wayne expressed Williams should have been able to trust him to file his taxes properly. She said it would be fair to say when most clients hire their tax accountant or CPA, they want to trust and rely on that person to do them right. They rely on your expertise, not their own. And defense will continue questioning Timothy tomorrow morning. They're set to be back in the courtroom at 8:30. Live from the federal courthouse, Erica Ferrando, Eyewitness News.
All right, much more to come. Thank you, Erica. In less than 2